I just have to make a video of this. This is a massive cherimoya. Like, this just fits in the palm of my hand, and it's not even half of the cherimoya. The other half, well, I suppose it's not even half because, like I said, this size is a lot bigger. It's massive. And I can't wait to eat it. I think this is more than a kilogram. And a kilogram is like 1,000 calories. So we'll see how I get on. So this is how you eat cherimoya without a spoon. Well, before I came here, I didn't like to eat with my hands. Or it's not that I didn't like to eat with my hands, just I didn't like to get messy. So, but now I've kind of learned to embrace the frugivore way of eating, so. It's just so kind of wet and juicy. And sweet. I don't know if I put this as my top fruit. Like, number one is really hard to give away, but it's definitely in my top 3. I think maybe it's not top because of the seeds. But it can be quite fun to eat and just spit the seeds out, see how far you can launch them with your mouth. Man, this is a good cherimoya. Check out my view.